Welcome back to 50 Car. Some cars whisper, some cars roar, but the 2025 Dodge Challenger Demon concept screams with the fury of untamed thunder. It's not just a car, it's an omen, a beast carved from Detroit's unrelenting spirit, ready to haunt the asphalt with fire and fury. Under the hood, a supercharged 6.6L HEMI V8 breathes with a terrifying 900 horsepower, launching this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brutal 2.1 seconds. Dodge's advanced launch control and a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission ensure that power translates into dominance. Advantages: insane horsepower, cutting-edge traction tech, and top-tier drag performance. Disadvantages: fuel consumption that devours gallons like a starving predator. A sculpted menace of wide fenders, aggressive splitters, and a sinister hood scoop. Every angle slices the air like a blade, blending aerodynamics with raw intimidation. Advantages: striking presence, aerodynamic enhancements, and unmistakable muscle car DNA. Disadvantages: massive size can be a challenge in tight urban spaces. A cockpit of shadows and fire, wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, with a massive digital instrument cluster that pulses with life. The racing-inspired bucket seats hold you like a firm handshake from fate. Advantages: high-tech displays, premium materials, and racing comfort. Disadvantages: rear seat space sacrificed for performance-focused engineering. Estimated at $120,000, available in Phantom Black, Inferno Red, and Spectral Silver. Appeals to thrill seekers aged 30 to 50. 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, Tesla Roadster. Top speed of 230 miles per hour, delivering a ride that feels like bending time itself. Advantages: unmatched acceleration, raw muscle, and thrilling control. Disadvantages: extreme power requires expert handling.